Hello everybody. I hope you're doing okay wherever you are in the world. I want to show you today how you can make very quick oats biscuits. Okay? The biscuits you can use for lunchbox. You can have it with your tea. You can have it with breakfast. You can have it as a snack. And you can put it away in the freezer even until you need it. So for this you will need quick oats. Okay, quick oats are the oats that is finer. But what you can do if you have the other oats is you just put it in a food processor and make it finer. Okay, and then you're also going to need some brown sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and you will need also some butter. Now the butter is like a half a cup of butter. I think if you don't have butter you can use a good margarine as well. Okay, this is what you're going to be needing, and you will need to have a pot to cook it on. So what I do, I let it melt and on low heat, and then I will add the sugar. Remember to keep it on low heat. As soon as the sugar dissolves, then it should boil. Don't let it boil before the sugar has not dissolved yet. Okay? So rather keep it on low heat and stir it until it dissolves. So what I did, I added a little bit of water, a little bit, to help the sugar dissolve, and then I'm just stirring it until I can see that the sugar has dissolved. So what's happening now, my sugar has dissolved nicely with the butter, and the mixture shouldn't boil. So make sure that your temperature is on low heat. While you're doing this, remember to switch on your oven, to preheat your oven on bake for 180 degrees. So I'm going to be adding the oats now. So mine isn't exactly a rectangular baking tin, so yours will be easier if you just use a normal baking tin, but I'm just trying to get to the shape and press everything nicely down. So I baked them for about 20 minutes and they felt nice and hot, and as it's going to cool it will going to become harder. So I'm just going to cut them now with a nice sharp knife. Guys. Okay, my house is smelling so nice with the simple ingredients. So this is going to be the middle, so this is the middle. Okay, they are about 5 centimeters. Very gently. I'm gonna make mine big ones. Ones and my big ones. They taste so crunchy and they're huge. So you try it and see how yours comes out. Bye. Until next time, remember to subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye bye.